before I ruin something. So this is our setup we got going on. I wanted to make this a little more formal before I did a video on it, but I just do it now. This is what we're on. It's Tesla coil setup. We got our variac right here that chooses our 120, our 0 to 120 volts. Goes through that. Here is our transformer for the 12 volts for the that's replaced right now by that battery. We go up here. There's supposed to be two dual microwave oven transformers. We have them. It's right there. Then there is 3 capacitors. We have all 3 of those, and our diode. I think this whole is a voltage doubler with just 3 components. It's pretty decent voltage, but when you add that capacitor, it doubles everything. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Let's see. That guy right there is our small buddy right there. That one there is that ugly one right there. And those ones are that, and there's our right there. See our diode. We got our secondary coil. See that right there? This is supposed to be the pickup. Yeah, we're using the pickup today. We don't have it set up like this. I don't have it set up like this. And I don't have this capacitor across it right yet. Here's our sense coil. Some capacitors and resistors that go into the gate of these tubes. Grid 3 is not in use, it's tied to ground. Here's our ground right here. 4 kilovolts goes through our primary, and it sits on this plate right here. Yeah, the 4 kilovolts sits on the plate. Some of it leaks through, and it tickles this coil, and we'll get positive voltage on the grid, which will make the electrons shoot towards the plate even harder. And this coil on harder, which tickles this harder until it saturates, and then I think it collapses. See, this is why I waited to do this, because I had to think about this some more. And then I think everything goes negative, turns the gate off, and it shuts the whole thing down. And the magnetic field collapses, and it tickles this again, puts positive on the grid, and then shoots the electrons to the plate, and we get an ignition. So we can put that right there. Here's our help me out, I'm having a brain fart. Spectre. This is the breaker that turns on our cathode, or help, whatever. That is at a very high voltage. It's been on this entire time, and I've had my fingers all in it. I'm going to turn it up a little bit higher. Haven't had it up this high. Hi, Veronica. That's the first time I've caught oof, we need medication. Anyway, a comet. That's the first time I've caught a comet. Let's take a look at this. I can hear that hissing, and it's making me nervous. So let's get this over with. Go ahead and turn this bad boy. I'm going to try to get it all in the same shot here. Boom. There's our emission right there. Lots of radio noise everywhere. We can't see anything coming out. I don't want to touch none of that, but we can see we got some good spurious emissions. They're all over the place, so God knows what this thing's really doing. Look at that. That's beautiful. They're really strong too. So now that I got this on camera, I can experiment more on my off time. I really wish I could see some glowing. Oh, I'm so scared of this thing, for real. Try to knock this. You know what? Let me turn it off real quick. And then let's see if we can do something here. Alright, take that wire off and let it do the dangle. Let's see what happens. Turn it back on. Looks like we got a more steady emission this time. It's not all over the damn place, which is pretty cool. I'll put my hand on it. Getting away from it detunes it. Yeah. Let's see what's here. Yeah, there's nothing going on with this thing. Let's try higher voltage. Oh, yeah, that stabilized it. Oh, Jesus, it's hissing good. I gotta get us a better setup, a safer setup. This isn't okay. Our battery's dying. Let's put this thing. Let's put this tuning capacitor. I don't know what's with me and my words today. I'm forgetting all my words. Alright. Turn that back on. Oh, let's turn this back up. Alright. Yeah, it hates that thing. Yeah, it doesn't like it. Let's turn up the voltage. Ugh, she's hissing. It hates it. It hates that tuning cat. Alright, now I want to try put this through a capacitor. Capacitor and a resistor. See what happens. Hopefully it works, because our guy who made this circuit uses light bulbs as ballast, and it kind of worries me that that much power is running through those grids in there. And if I use a capacitor, then that won't be a problem. We have no emission. Damn. Let's do it without. We might have not had emission because I was shorted out. Let's try again. Oh, this stupid capacitor is still here. Get out of there. Alright. Yeah. And there's no emission. Also, that might be melted. Don't know. That didn't work very well. Let's move that there and do it again. Alright. Cathode's coming up. She's hot as she's gonna get, and we have no emission. Alright, turn it off. Let's put it back and see what happens. Put it back to normal, turn it back up, turn it back on, and we have no emission. I think our battery is dead. Let's do this. I wanted to keep this thing out of the experiment because it uses high frequency stuff to do its thing. Something smells funny too. I hear the cathodes ticking. This is running a test, and you can hear it. Yeah, I hate that. That's why I don't. So the battery's gonna have to charge before I do the next experiment. I don't think it has to charge long. I think once it stops analyzing, we can use the power straight from it. Oh, this dangerous ass thing. I hate this stupid battery thing. It analyzes forever. closer with this. This has been tuned with the VNA, but you know, you get close to it and it puts it right out of tune. What is going on here? What is all that noise? But it's from the battery charger. That crap. Let's see what happens when it finally decides to start charging the battery. It should be close now. See? I was right, it was definitely the battery charger doing all that weirdness. That's the crap that it's going to try to push into my tube. That's why I don't want to use the battery charger while we're doing the thing. But let's see how much current we get. Right. Oh yeah. Yeah. We get lots of current. Go ahead and use that. Turn on the high voltage here. Yeah, she's right up. Alright. No emission. None at all. What's going on? Hippity hoppity. It's not my property. Is that amplification going on right now? No, it is not. So let's try hooking this up backwards. See if that helps. That's usually what happens when your Tesla coil doesn't work. It's either your antenna coil is backwards or your primary is backwards. It doesn't matter which one you flip around. You can also add an inductor like this to either, you know, right here of your detector coil or right here of your primary, and that will flip it 180 degrees. Just so that it'll put it back in phase. Alright, let's see what happens. And, whoa, cathode on. Look at that. That's great. Alright. We're off. Look, a bunch of people, they disappeared. They disappeared before magic. Alright, so I flipped that around and everything went great. Let's give her another go. Alright, cathode up. Alright. Let's give her this little bulby bulb here. And there's nothing. Hold on. More bulbs. I need more bulbs. I literally bought hundreds of those damn bulbs and I can't find one of them. Here we go. This one's got a diamond hook to it. Damn it. Nothing's coming out of it. It's also doesn't look like we're getting a steady thing going on here. Let's turn up the voltage. Yeah, okay, we're slightly more steady. Things are a little more spooky. Yeah, this is spooky dooky wooky. It's really aggravating that I'm getting all this good signal, but there's nothing happening. I mean, there's a lot of voltage running through this damn thing. I should be something. But It's up good. Okay. Let's try this. Let's take our input right here. Oh, I do want to check something. I want to see if it works going through this capacitor right here. Alright, let's give that a try. Turn the voltages up. Hit. Nothing. Sack of shit. Wait a second. No, that's fine. Anyway. Pull that. Take that off of there like that. Alright. Now we're going to stick this. This is going to go directly to the bottom of the secondary coil. I'm going to put this on a capacitor. Actually, capacitor and resistor combo. Turn the voltages back up and hit it. Nothing. Oh, it looked like there was a little something there. Nothing. Let's turn that down again. Let's get rid of that stuff. Okay. Oh my god. That fucking transformer is so hot right now. Okay, that's not cool. Not cool at all. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. I wish I had better warning. I'm really scared to lift that transformer up and know what it looks like under there. Son of a bitch. I'm sure cooking today, ain't I? Not in the way I expected, though. Son of a bitch. You lose some and you lose some more. Fucker. Alright, who's ready for the reveal? Oh, that thing's still fucking so hot. I gotta pick it up. I gotta pick it up. Alright. Let me find something to pick it up with. I can't use my bare hands. That thing is smoking. Damn, this sucks. Why is it? Holy shit. What do I do with this? It's so hot. What the fucking garbage? Oh my god, it's so fucking starting me. Okay, Jesus Christ. What do I do with this? I'll just put it right here like that. Shit. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Oh my god, I got really lucky. Really lucky. That this didn't melt into a big fucking plastic square, because this is at my house. It's fucking hot. It looks a little fucked up. It's the price of science, I guess. My whole life has been burning the carpet. I mean, it can't happen again. Like, fuck. It's not that noticeable, right? It's still steaming. Dang, this is some tough ass carpet. Oh, it is 1,000 degrees. Okay, that looks a little better. It's still steaming. None of those are hot. This isn't hot. I mean, it's warm, but it's not hot. Why was that damn thing so freaking hot? And the diode's not hot. Yeah, all the power runs through the diode. What is going on with this circuit that is killing my transformer? I don't get it. I'm gonna have to do something weird. Like one of the spice simulation, because it makes no sense. This thing, everything runs completely fine without this capacitor. You add this capacitor. Oh god, I just got a special text message. I gotta go. Later, gizzards. Sorry for the... Well, I didn't really expect it to be interesting at all, to be honest. I just was really excited that I got radiations from this tube. This is an awesome tube. I like it. We can do some cool amplification things with this tube, but I really want the damn Tesla coil to work. We will get this to work. And when it does, that'll be an awesome day. Anyway, have a good one. I'll see you around.